Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Zanussi brand washing machine and it's giving you an error E83 and you're thinking, what is this error and what can I do to get rid of it? So first of all, the bad news on the E83 error is that this is an error with the control board. It's not a drain issue or a heating issue or a water issue or anything like that that can sometimes have these specific fixes. This is an electronic anomaly happening on the control board. Might need to have your control board replaced. Probably going to need to have a technician look at it. But before you call the technician, I would recommend one thing, and that is just like a computer that's acting funny. Sometimes these electronic errors can be cleared out just by doing a hard reset on the washing machine. So that means just turning it off and then cutting power to it completely. So unplugging it from the wall or turning it off at the circuit if it's hardwired. Leave it off for a full minute, disconnect it for a full minute, then you can restore power, turn it on. That'll clear the error out, and then hopefully it won't come back. Again, if it does, at that point you're probably going to need to call a technician. But anyways, hope this video helped you at least figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.